Hi, I'm Jessica Duncan and I'm going to be singing Songbird by Eva Cassidy.